to my channel. If you're new around here, hello, my name is Michelle and I am a mum to 3 gorgeous children. I live in sunny Queensland, Australia with my husband Chris and our 3 kids, and on my channel you'll see lots of cleaning and organisation, and I would love for you to join my YouTube family. So if you haven't already clicked that subscribe button, I would love for you to do so, and if you like this video I would love for you to give it a big thumbs up. But as you saw from the title, today I am cleaning my fridge and it is pretty bad. It has been neglected. I've just been buying groceries each week, giving it a quick wipe out, but there is no organisation whatsoever to it, and I feel like I keep wasting food every week and I'm sick of it. And to be quite honest, because it's so unorganised, I have lost the love for cooking. So today I'm going to take you with me. If you want to clean along with me, I'm going to pop on some real fun music to keep us motivated, and pop me on your TV, your iPad or your phone, and let's get cleaning.
Got my pocket full of sand, sand, sand. I don't really give a damn, damn, damn. You can read it in my hand. I don't really give a damn, damn, damn. Got my pocket full of sand, sand, sand. I don't really give a damn, damn, damn. You can read it in my hand.
I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright.
I leave the TV on, I'm done with your sad eyes. I can't take another night with you on like this. So let's go, I'm sure you can take it. You've been crying over him for a lifetime. So if you don't mind, we will dance till it's way past late. Another course that we can fly with the baseline. I know, I know, I know, I know. Boys be boys, ain't no excuse, babe. Now hey you, oh hey you, I know you can find someone better. Oh hey you, oh hey you. He's a vagabond, he won't love you better. I can watch you sinking down on the battleship. So count to 10, then again, Mississippi. You've been crying over him for a lifetime. So if you don't mind, we will dance till it's way past late. Another course that we can fly with the baseline. I know, I know, I know, I know. Boys be boys, ain't no excuse, babe. Now hey you, oh hey you, I know you can find someone better. Oh hey you, oh hey you.
Yeah. It kind of feels like this. Hey, would you stay with me till the sun goes down? Being with you is so easy. Hey, if you want, honey, you can stick around. I don't know what it is about you, but you look so fine, riding shotgun in my car, top down when driving on the highway. The wind in our hair makes us look like movie stars, and you make me sing, yeah. Ooh, you make me sing, yeah. Oh, you make me sing, yeah. Ooh, you make me sing, yeah. Come on. I just wanna be close to your body, close to your body, close to your body. Oh, I just wanna be close to your body. Give me some sugar, honey, close to your body. Oh, I just wanna be. Oh, I just wanna be. Hey, what you say? Wanna stay in a hotel? Champagne and room service all night. Girl, I know this ain't no plaza, but I think we'll be alright. Ooh, come on. Isn't this really what life is all about? Doing what you can to have a good time. But baby, when I'm with you, I have the time of my life.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope this gave you all the motivation that you need for this Friday, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to do so, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.